Hello everybody, welcome to week 8. Alright, so this week we're going to be getting into it's still unit 2, but it's 2.3 now. And this is getting into the affordable housing design project. So, project 2.3.1 affordable house design. So we're going to introduce that project today, and you guys will be working on that this week, as well as starting to become familiar with Revit. That being said, if you're in school, I recommend that we do all of the Revit work in school and then do the assignment itself outside of school. That way you can work on Revit in school. Now, if you're at home, you're going to have to download Revit onto not a Chromebook. It cannot be a Chromebook. It will not work on a Chromebook. So there's that. At some point, you all will receive a better computer, I think, because that's at least what we've been told, and you're not ninth graders, so ninth graders will receive the notebooks and then Chromebooks, and you guys will receive actual laptops. But first things first are the new construction guidelines. I will be linking this in most of your assignments for this project, the 2.3.1 affordable house design. This guideline is all of the guidelines for Habitat for Humanity homes. So these are all the things that your Habitat for Humanity house that you'll be designing needs to incorporate. So relevant codes, principles of habitat, size of the house. So for a Habitat for Humanity home, a 2-bedroom can be more than 900, keep it close to 900 square feet, 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom, so forth and so on. And it just goes through all of that. So there's a lot of information here, but it just is you're going to be referencing this a bunch when working on the Habitat for Humanity home. I have a PowerPoint here. I would like you to check that out. There's no notes attached to this. You don't have to take notes on it and then submit them, but there is a PowerPoint. Check it out. There's homework. This is going to require you to do this at home because some of the questions they'll ask, a lot of the questions they'll ask will deal with the home that you live in or the apartment that you live in or wherever you live, you'll have to be there. So it literally says respond to each of the following prompts as you walk around the interior of your home or another home which you have access to. So it says make a quick sketch of the floor plan for each home, and I'm going to include example floor plans so that you know what's expected of you. I don't expect it to be a elaborate floor plan, just a quick sketch, but you should still keep that in mind that I need to be able to visualize what you're looking at by your sketch because I'm not in your home, I'm not able to be in your home, and we're not taking a video of it. So you're just going to work through this at home, answering all the prompts, and then at the bottom you will insert your pictures of your sketch for me to look at and grade. So easy enough. Where is it? There we go. I have then attached the Revit instructions again for you so you can download them at home or use them in school. This is where you'll find the utility shed part 1 instructions, but I'll also link them below, as well as a video walking through how to do the utility shed design part 1. So you have a video and a tutorial to help you complete that. I want to see everybody try and complete at least part 1 of the utility shed design. I want to get familiar with Revit. I want us to get into using Revit. Hopefully by the end of this week or the end of next, everybody will have the ability to have Revit at home and it won't be as big of a deal. Otherwise, that's all I have for you guys this week. So I want you to take your time on this one and make a detailed sketch, a detailed floor plan. If you have any questions, please feel free to shoot me an email and hope you guys have a great day or a great week.